I've just bought my 20th property and it's in poor condition at the moment. We've got a lot of work to do, so come inside and let me show you around. So this property is in the northeast of England in a nice quiet area, and I purchased this for £81,000. The plan is to convert this 2-bedroom semi-detached property into a brand new home for someone to live in. Before we go into the house, let me tell you why I bought this property. This property was on the market for £81,000. It was a repossession and the seller naturally wanted a quick sale, so I managed to get it for cheap. I went on Rightmove and noticed there was a fairly similar 2-bedroom property on the same road that sold for £155,000 August last year. So I knew what end value I could expect, so that was one tick. Second thing was that properties on the same road had been going up in value. This property, for example, has increased by 40k in just the past 4 years, and the thing that nailed it for me was that it was, from the pictures, it looked like the property was in poor condition, which means there was plenty of value to be added. And by now you should know I love adding value because it's really old, it wasn't looked after, so there was lots of potential. It's when I got this video sent to me, I figured out that there was a potential to add an extra bedroom, and it's only when I got sent the video I knew there was some money to be made. I was confident, so I put the offering. Being it was a repossession, they wanted to move quick, which I did. So yeah, that's the story, and now let's take a tour. So the first thing that you notice is that there's an extension at the front. If I was to take a guess, it's probably around 10 years old, so it's not too old. Behind the extension right now is the kitchen that goes all the way across. What we're going to do is we're going to move this window along to the left, so that way there's more space at the end where we're going to add an extra window for the bathroom, which I'll explain later on. The first room is a bathroom. It's very small at the moment, so what we're going to do, we're going to extend this bathroom all the way across here, add a window as we talked about outside, position the door for the bathroom over here instead of over there, and then we're going to move the kitchen window, which is currently here, to the side. So kitchen here and then bathroom here. We do lose some floor area in the kitchen, but we do have this extra little dining room space, which is enough to seat a family of 4. We did think about removing this wall so that the kitchen has like an open plan feel to it, but it's going to cost around two and a half grand. I don't think it was that important because we've got enough space at the end. So let me show you the space. The first room, this one, is the main living room. Replaster, needs a full rewire, and we're going to remove this fireplace. Then we got more space, the second room, which is this conservatory. It's in pretty good condition. The only thing is we need to change some of these handles. We have to change the flooring, obviously, and what we're going to do, we're going to put laminate flooring all the way from the conservatory going to the living room. So the garden, as you can see, it's a bit of a jungle. It needs completely clearing out, and what we're going to do is, I don't know if you can see the storage at the back, the greenhouse and the mini shed, that's going to get demolished, so everything's going to be cleared out upstairs. So upstairs, we're going to remove this wallpaper, obviously. We're going to have new carpets in over here, and then the first room is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom right now. What we're going to do, we're going to replace this obscure glass with a normal glass and then convert this into a bedroom. So this then becomes bedroom number 1 of this property. Bedroom number 2, this is a single bedroom. Going to replaster the walls, change the radiator, change the glass. Final bedroom, bedroom number 3 is the main and the largest room. We're going to remove this window wardrobe, and let me give you one tip. So when you're going to view a property, one of the very first things you want to be doing is checking the condition of the roof. As you can see on this one, the condition of the roof is pretty good, and it's important to check this because a roof is very, very expensive to replace. We're talking thousands of pounds, so you don't want to miss out on that. Always check the roof when you're viewing a property. Yeah. One tip for you guys, when you're scrolling looking for properties on Rightmove, if you see some pictures which has taping like this saying do not use, that's usually a telltale sign of repossessed properties, and usually you can find them below market value. A few things I forgot to mention. Number 1 is when we replace this with a new boiler, the boiler will be around somewhere around here, but because it's going to be in a bathroom, we'll need to box it off. This fireplace is a no-no, it's definitely going. As for outside, externally, what we're going to do, we're going to repoint some of the brickwork over there. We're going to repoint the chimney as well, and that's it. That's the plans. If you want to see the end version once it's refurbed, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.